In this final chapter, we'll learn how to use the select and grasp input events and how to instantiate objects. Search for Object Spawner and drag the prefab into the Hierarchy panel. Drag the Color Picker wheel into the Object Spawner field called Color Source. Let's take a look at the Object Spawner script. In the Interaction Source Pressed event, it first checks to see if the event is coming from the left controller. Next, if the interaction type was Select, then an object is spawned. Otherwise, if the interaction type was Grasp, then we change our mesh type. The Spawn Object method creates the object, detaches it from its parent, and sets its color from the currently selected color. Save your scene again in Unity and click play. You'll be able to change the objects with the Grasp button and spawn objects with the Select button.